Hello friends, welcome back to the new video. In this video guys, we are going to talk about how to pair this guys JBL speaker guys Bluetooth speaker. Guys, you want to pair this Bluetooth speaker in your Vivo phone, so as you can pair. And guys, now let's see how to pair this Bluetooth speaker in our Vivo phone. So first of all guys, I want to tell you, if you're new in my channel and you are watching my video first time, so first of all go and subscribe my channel, click the bell icon and like my videos. So friend, first of all open your phone setting and guys click on this Bluetooth and devices. Guys click on Bluetooth and guys on your Bluetooth and guys click on pair new device. Sorry friends, why we want to pair, and get this first option guys we will have to press, so it will on. And guys second guys you can see this Bluetooth, so guys press on Bluetooth. And guys now let's see, and guys refresh your phone. So as you can see guys the JBL speaker go, so guys we will click on, as you can see it's pairing, so it will pair in your phone after 4 and 5 seconds. So as you can see Bluetooth speaker has pair in our Vivo phone guys. So I hope friends you have understood how to pair Bluetooth speaker in Vivo phone. So that's it guys, thanks for watching my video. Now we will meet on next video with new topic. Before going guys, please go and like my video, subscribe my channel. Bye bye friends.